Oh, look at that too. Hard candy custom right there. I gotta use my phone to kick enough light on the thing.
Oh, here.
Big Daddy's Harley here. We're gonna take this gorgeous seat and we're gonna put it on this gorgeous bike. So if you guys want to stick around for a few, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in, by the way. But we're gonna do a seat swap. So if you guys want to watch and see how it happens, here we go.
And it's as quick as can be. You take this one out.
And then how's that catch? Show them how it catches.
Right
on the back there.
There.
So there's a
Goes
catch
right there.
So this little tab
Goes right inside of it.
Yeah,
Yep.
you slide
Right into
that
it.
little tab or that slot into this.
Bring that right up, and right here is where it screws down. With the CVO seat, we have a two-piece CVO seat that we're going to be putting on.
Look at that, gorgeous. Got the diamond stitching. Looks like a single. I'll put it in the light so you can see it really good. We're in a dark garage here. And you just got to catch that front little piece again.
Yeah.
That little tab.
Right there.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Like butter. Super easy. And then once you get the, oh, there you go. Show them what those are.
These are, they're little knurled nuts, and what it is, they're designed for when you put the passenger pylon on, that they'll slide right into here, and that's what holds that into place. So besides looking good, they do actually have a purpose. If you can get it started.
And then are those just hand tight?
Yep, just hand tight on these. Be interesting to get people's opinion if they like the flame seat better or this one better solo. Either one.
Yeah, that's a nice looking seat too. It's got the diamond stitching on it.
Yeah.
Which one do you like better, this one? Or, where'd the other one go?
Right over here.
Or this one with the flames? I mean, to me, this one's got the flames that match the flames in the bike.
Okay, so these right here are cut to go right underneath these. So you make sure these are good and tight. And then what you do is you just line that up right there, push it forward and down, come right back here to the back, boom.
Put your
Screw in.
Yeah.
Will you grab that, brother? It's right there, the threaded one. It's self-tapping. Down on the top of the bottom box.
top.
Down, right over, to your right. There.
This one?
Yep. And then put this right down into here. And that now will hold everything in place so that this can't come up and everything. So now we just tighten that one down.
Need a what, 7/16?
Probably 3/8 on that, I think.
3/8.
Might be a 7/16. Let's see. So well organized.
All of those wrenches that have disappeared from your toolboxes landed in there.
That you can't find the right one either, they're here. Because I can't find it either. Yeah, there we go.
And you don't need to like tighten really hard, right?
No.
How are you? Hello, big guy. Oh, you are such a handsome fella. Such a handsome guard dog. You watch this bike? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Tell us what you think. You kind of look like Yoda from Star Wars.
That's what I say.
And you know what? You know what, though?
What?
You weren't the original motherfuckers that fucking hooked this shit up.
Who was? Big Daddy was.
Big Mama?
Big Daddy, I said.
Yeah, you guys set the pace.
We were the OGs.
Exactly.
We were the OGs.
I'm fucking butthole hurt.
Well, you shouldn't be butthole hurt.
I am.
Well, you should be. You know why?
Why?
Because you never come and hang out with us on a weekend
You
because
never invite me because you... See?
no, we're not excluding him is the problem. So he's butthurt for no reason. Don't peg him anymore and he won't be butthurt there.
Take it easy on him.
Yeah, take it easy on him from now on.
Brian, how old are you?
I'm old enough to still. What would be a good?
To still get it up.
Yeah. We're gonna have to give your bike some TLC. We're gonna have to do a deep leather clean on that seat of yours. Put a little lube on that bad boy.
Hey, so, you know what RNC said?
What?
She said, if Big Mama will pay for me to come down there, I will ride on the back of his bike.
Big Daddy ain't doing that. So.
Why not? You said if you had any choice of whoever would ride with you, you said you would pick RNC.
Yes, I did say that.
I would too.
I'm telling you, she is just quiet, just rolls with the flow, no bitching, no goddamn drama, no none of that shit.
She would go again.
She would go again?
Right on. You should fucking get her ass out here, big money.
We can put her through One-Eyed Tim's food course where he's.
Yeah, we'll bring her all the cat food she can eat.
You guys are, I'm telling her that.
That's all you got to do to clean this seat. Rub that stuff in by hand, like we were doing. Let it sit on there for about 10 minutes. Rub it off gently with a nice clean rag. And look at that. That's just gorgeous. All right, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in and listening to a bunch of crazy guys. But hopefully you enjoyed it. Cleaning the bike, doing the seat. We got the seat all
Looks
gorgeous.
good.
Yeah, switch that over to a CVO seat. And tell us which one you like. You like this one or the other one? And then we'll do another video and show you what
Overloading.
everything he's gonna take on our big trip.